2023 earnings, IT bellwether Tata Consultancy Services (TCS) will kickstart its second quarter earnings season by announcing the results for the quarter ending 30th September on 11th October. The company will consider an interim dividend to be paid to the equity shareholders on 19th October. TCS shares will likely trade ex-dividend on the day or a day before the record date. The second interim dividend, if declared, shall be paid to the equity shareholders of the company whose names appear on the register of members of the company or in the records of the depositories as beneficial owners of the shares as of Thursday, 19th October 2023, which is the record date fixed for the purpose, TCS said in a filing. Also read, LIC Stock Portfolio, ITC, Adani Enterprises, RIL, TCS among shares that insurer bought in Q1. Also watch, TCS versus Infosys versus Wipro versus HCL Tech, stock performance, pay ratio, returns TTM, Q1 results. Also read, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Tata Power, Indian Hotels, TCS shares, Tata stocks that FPIs bought and sold in Q1. Watch live TV in English. Watch live TV in Hindi.